Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get your Etsy payments. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you've not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started, and this is going to be where we can browse all the products. So in the upper right corner, first thing we are going to do is log into our account. If you do not already have an account, what you want to do is go ahead and create an account that you're going to be using for Etsy. If you have one, just log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page from where we can get started. So in this home page, now after you have logged in, it's going to look like this. We'll be able to access everything, and now we can get started. So basically, once you set up your store, you'll be able to manage payments from there. We can open up our store by clicking Shop Manager right here. When you're setting up your store, you're going to have this section that says how you're going to be paid, and this is where you're going to go and connect your payment method that you want to use, either your bank account where you want to get your money and so on. All of that is going to be manageable from here, and you can set it up using any of the options right here that you see. So basically, in this article, Help Center, how to get paid on Etsy, you can go ahead and follow the steps right here. Basically, you're going to go ahead and when you open up a shop, you'll sign up for Etsy payments, and with Etsy payments, buyers can choose from many convenient payment options, and no matter how a buyer pays you, the funds will go to your Etsy payment account, after which you'll be able to withdraw them directly right here from Etsy and from your payment center, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.